you blind? I'm walking here!
Well, hello there. We meet again.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Well, that was close call number 9, if I'm not mistaken, so you're out of lives, mate.
No, hold on. No, it's not. No, there was the time I fell out the window, the time I drank all that paint thinking it was milk, the altercation with Mr. Meow from up the road, the time I tried to eat that bee, the toaster incident.
Yeah.
Oh, I remember that. When I fell asleep in the dishwasher, when I tried to play tag with that pit bull.
Yeah, that wasn't very clever, was it?
He seemed so nice at first, and the car just now, so that's 8. No, sorry, yes, you're right, sorry, my mistake. I'll let you get on with your day. Well, thank you, I'll see you soon. Oh, actually, I hope I don't. Well, I guess you are coming with me after all. No, because actually, I think this one was number 8.
Oh, you're literally a ghost.